Hi, welcome back to part 2. Don't know why my camera cut out on me like that. But as you can see, right off the bat, just pulling right out of the box, right out of that little baby, it automatically lights. See? Hi! You probably can't see it, but right there. So it wasn't like pulling out the box, fiddling around until the install automatically right out the box, right out the package is flowing. So that's definitely a good sign. Now, can you refill this? Well, let's see. Let's turn the pen barrel that just twists off, and yep. If you know a place that you could get refillable pen cartridges, just buy them, pop them in, screw back together the two-part barrel, and you're good to go. Do you know all this is made out of plastic? Kind of a thinny piece of plastic. I would love to see it made from like a filter plastic, like maybe the plastic that's in a bit pen or something, but oh well. Next up, we have our little teeny tiny wallet. I mean, for real, I have no idea what you even use this wallet for. This wallet is, yeah, teeny tiny. So, Call of Duty, World War II. Again, it's going to be a faux letter to it. And when you open it up, I mean, now you think over here, you'd be like, oh man, well, you could store a couple bills in there, you know? Like 10, 20, maybe 100 or 50. Nope. This part does not open up. It's all, as you can see, stitched and sewn all the way through. Which is kind of garbage. I mean, if you're going to get someone a small little wallet like this, that instead of folding like a traditional bifold wallet, you know, that folds out the traditional way, this one folds out like a butt. And there should be the cheap wallet. You know? I mean, even if they were to do this, which they did, at least put a little pot in there that someone could stuff a couple dollars in there. You know, to maybe buy like a pop or some fast food or, you know, something like that. If you're going to like the gaming conventions like E-Lead and stuff like that, or like, you know, E3, stuff like that. You know, at least have something where maybe someone doesn't want to carry their full wallet, they could at least carry like a couple dollars, buy like some souvenir t-shirts, buy some food in the fast food court. You know, a little something! But nope, all you have in here is credit cards, credit cards, credit cards, credit cards, credit cards. Or your ID and tons of credit cards. But if you want to carry cash, get a money clip, put it in your pocket, or go and get a real wallet. You know, this pretty much garbage. I mean, in functionality, you know. Here's the dart tags. Actually, these ones, I take that back. I got a little confused there for a moment. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, no. I was like, these ones are super duper thin. You could easily bend them just with your finger just going like that. You know, like that. But I'm not going to bend them, but I've seen other people do it, and yeah. So you have one that has a star, the other one that says Call of Duty World War II. I mean, the ball chain is on the whole necklace. The only thing that's probably worth is the little ball chain. But the dart tags, pretty garbage. I mean, even the wallet, compared the dart tags to the wallet, and the wallet's going to win in comparison. What else do we have in here? We have our little, what the heck is this thing? Art print. So yeah, just a little cardboard Actually, you know what? It says Call of Duty, World War II, Activision, Culture Fly, all that stuff on the bag here. But not, you know, all this, just, you know, this. I'm not going to take this out of the bag because I don't want to get it dirty. But if I ever did take it out of the bag, put it in a nice little picture frame from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of those places, and it'll be a nice picture. So if you're framing this to put on a wall or on a desk or something, it's actually a pretty nice picture if you put it in a picture frame. If you're just going to, you know, put some tape or stick it to your wall, I wouldn't. To be honest, put it in a picture frame, it's going to look way a lot better. And it's probably going to fit in a little bit better with the whole World War thing than just hanging it on the wall. And then here is the canteen. Now let me run and go get the other canteen. Okay, I am back. Side-by-side comparison on both canteens. Excuse me. So what do we notice? Well, obviously this one is in a little bit of green color. This one has a plastic cap with some plastic, you know, cap is attached to it. So this one's made out of plastic. Okay, that's the first thing that we notice. What's the second thing that we notice? Just, you know, before we actually take them out and compare canteens. Well, this one has the 2 button snaps, same as this one. This one has, you know, just the star logo. This one actually says Call of Duty World War II. The real difference is getting to the back of these. Yeah. This one's going to be a pain to do it like that. But there we go. So again, this one has another star logo there. This one actually has the belt clips on here. So you can slide your belt right through here and hook it onto your belt. This one, unfortunately, you cannot hook it onto your belt. There's no way to hook it onto the belt. The only thing that, you know, this little sleeve for the canteen does is just keep your hands from getting cold or from getting wet. Really, you don't need a sleeve. I guess maybe it acts as a little bit of an insulator to keep whatever's inside there cold, but kind of stupid. I mean, if it had like a woven belt clip on there, where you just slide your belt in there, that would have been pretty awesome. I mean, this one, you know, woven like in here, like that, but just one strip that gets going up and down on the back here. That would have been pretty cool. But this one definitely, it wins because, you know, you have these in here that you can just slip your belt in there. Return to the furnace. Let's pop this open. Get the canteen out. I guess if anyone wants to see in here, to worry about going on camping and stuff. It does have like a little insulation in there, so I guess it will keep it cold. But I'm just saying, you know, if you're going to carry it on your person, like on your belt or something, you can't carry it on your belt. So you're going to have to carry it in a backpack or hold it all day in your hand and carry it. But yeah, this one says Call of Duty World War II. For water only, do not store it near open flame. 2017, Activision Potion Inc., made in China. And that's just a little packet of silicone in there. But you know what? Just to prove it to you, let me unscrew this. And actually, how the heck would you get that out? You can see there's a little packet of silicone in there, you know, to keep things nice and good and stuff. Do remove it before, you know, you actually are going to fill it with water or whatever. But yeah, and then let's open it up and compare it to this one. Give me a second, it's a little bit tricky to get this one out over here. Ugh. Come on. Oh my god, this one's being a little pain right now. in more ways than one. Whew. That was hard. But yeah, this one obviously comes with more stuff. You know, you have your little measuring cup. And what I mean by measuring cup is, you know, in the field, guys that have this to know how much water to pour in there. Obviously, this doesn't have any fill lines, measurements in there, but you know, they fill up to so much, and you know, pour this in their little baggie to activate, you know, the little flameless washing heater. Pour the rest in the other baggie if they want to make like some coffee or some tea or some sports energy drink, or you know, anything like that, or like some oatmeal or something. So it's nice that you have this. Or if you just want to put your coffee directly in here, you can set that on or near the fire. It depends on how great your fire is. If you got like those little wet tablets, then you can probably place it on the fire. If it comes with this little folding stoves, like credit card stoves, I guess you would call them. A real fire, you want to set it near the fire. Same thing with this, you know. I don't know how good, because, you know, this is plastic right here. But honestly, I think both of them hold about the same amount of water. It's just, you know, this one looks a little bit taller because it's a little bit skinnier, and this one's a little bit more squat because it's a squat design. To be designed to, you know, sit in with the cup and fit all inside the little carrying case. But yeah. So we'll just move that off to the side here. And it says exclusive mystery collectible. So what could our exclusive mystery collectible be? Call of Duty World War II collectible coin built by Culture Fine Activision. Yay!